Hello, welcome back. We're doing makeup today, so let's just get right into it. I was playing with some foundations here. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to use today. This is Fenty Beauty 235, and then this is Nars medium 1. I feel like it's so hard for me to shade match myself. I don't know. I think I just have weird undertones. This is MAC Studio Fix NC40. Kind of looks like this one, the Fenty Beauty. But then when I put it on my face, it doesn't look like a match. That's the thing that I struggle with. Is it can look like it's gonna work, but then it doesn't. So that's why I just tend to mix foundation. So I'm gonna just honestly take a pump of the Fenty Beauty, pump of the Nars, and a little bit of the MAC. See, the MAC actually, like, sometimes it looks too dark and then sometimes it looks like it's spot on. I don't know. So we're just gonna mix. My face is so red that I feel like nothing really looks like it's my skin color. You know what I mean? Do a little concealer. I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue shade 14. See how this does oxidize a bit, so I kind of just, I usually mix these as well, but I'm just trying to do something quick today. Low maintenance makeup today. A little bit of MAC Studio Fix powder, NC40, just like a very fair shade, but I like it to set under my eyes. It definitely brightens. Kind of do the center of the face as well. I will also go in to bake because I have a lot of creasing that happens, so the baking just kind of does a little bit of extra reinforcement for me. Not doing any cream, bronzer, or contour today. Just trying to get a look together fairly quickly. I don't even know. I don't even think this constitutes as baking. It's just setting, really. Taking my Marc Jacobs Accomplice powder, really pretty, and this is just gonna go on the rest of the face. It's like the perimeter. For bronzer today, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 8H palette. Really pretty shades in here. I'm just gonna take like a mix. I usually just like to grab a few shades and toss it on. So how's everybody's spring? I can't believe it's spring. I'm so excited. I love spring. You guys have any fun plans for Easter? I'm actually gonna see my parents. I'm so excited. They're coming out to Florida to visit some of our cousins. So I'm gonna meet them down there. And I'm looking forward to seeing my cousins as well. It's been a long time. So that should be fun. Our first little spring Adventure. It's been so long since I bought new makeup. I'm like curious what's currently the new thing. You know, there's always just new stuff. It's like, the thing about the makeup industry is it's just like, it's overwhelming. There's too much, you know? You get one new product and then before you know it, there's something new, and it's like, wow. The industry is designed to like make us want more, and like I can't handle it. My pockets cannot handle it. No. Okay. That's good. I'm also going to do a little bit of baking under my contour bronzer. You know, while I have this palette out, I'm gonna highlight with it as well. I'm gonna try to go in with Beam and Venus. I'm just gonna mix. Let's see. I've used the highlights in here before and I don't remember loving them, so let's give it another try. I don't like highlights to be too gold. I feel like it just doesn't look right on my... Maybe because I have such pink undertones, I like it to be like a little more pinkish. I don't know. But this is nice. Oh, this is really nice. Wow. I'm into it. Wow, that's pretty. That's beaut. That is beaut. Okay, let's put on some blush. What blush do I use today? Let's go in with Wet n Wild. This is Pearlescent Pink. It's like a really pretty. Try to mesh this bronzer. Try to mesh the highlight and contour. Wow, that's nice. I'm into that. While I have this out, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of the bronzer in my crease. Just anyone, probably, yeah, just any of them, honestly. I've been doing my brows like after I apply all my powders, because if you can see how much blending I'm doing like around my brows, I really like the idea of just kind of saving them for last so that they don't get messed up, you know? Using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray just to lock these powders in. I kind of want to pop on a little shimmer. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Warrior palette and take some of. Let's take some of this shade. Benign. Press it down. Very nice. gonna take a little more of that bronzer and just kind of run it along the lower lash line just to give us a little bit of shadow, just a little something. Now we're gonna fill in our brows. I'm gonna go in with my Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've got the shade Chocolate here. I've been using the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I do love that. It's definitely my favorite brow product, but I appreciate the Anastasia one because it's definitely a lot lighter. So you don't have to be as like precise, you know? So they're like the same things I like about the Anastasia Brow Wiz are the same things I don't like about it. So it just depends if I'm in the mood for just a lighter, softer brow, which today, totally fine. Because with my Precisely My Brow from Benefit, it's definitely more, it's like a bolder brow. And this, I'm just using the Got2B Styling Gel for my brows. Okay. All right, I'm gonna apply these from Cara Beauty. These are the cheap lashes I told you guys about before, number 43. I'm just gonna pop these on, I'll be right back. All right, I popped on these lashes and I did put some mascara on my lower lash line. I was just highlighting my inner corner. I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes most likely with the lashes on, but I'm gonna let that glue dry. So let's move on to lips while we're waiting on that. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take Strip Down by Maxi. I want to like Strip Down because so many people do, but it's not quite dark enough for me. Let's see. Can you guys see that, or am I tripping? I just feel like I can't see it. I guess it's like brown and my lips are kind of pink, so it doesn't look normal to me. I don't know. I'm gonna take a little bit of hover. Is this hover? Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit. For lips, I'm gonna just go in with the gloss today. This is Morphe Frose. I love Morphe's liquid lips and lip glosses. Definitely great formula. Obviously, don't recommend if you're wearing a mask to just do lip gloss, but I'm not going anywhere today, so that's why I'm kind of embracing a glossy moment. Sorry for all the construction noises, by the way. You guys can probably, you can probably see the construction outside. It's very intense. Super pretty. I love Frose. It's such a good like over nude lip gloss, you know? All right, I'm gonna curl these lashes. Just like a quick squeeze, because this also helps them like bond to my natural lash. You guys hear my stomach growl? I'm hungry. All right, now for some mascara. You guys say mascara or mascara? I feel like so many people say mascara. I definitely say mascara. Get you under. Okay, I think we're done. Let's flatten out these hairs. All right, friends, what do we think? Super easy, quick makeup look. Definitely like a bronzy type vibe, which I'm here for. Yeah, just wanted to get ready and show you guys what I did today, so I hope you enjoyed. I will tag all of the products down below as always. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed hanging out with me today and playing with some makeup. Comment down below any videos or type of looks that you guys are interested in seeing. I've been loving doing my makeup looks on this camera. I think it's just such a world of difference, and I don't know why I hadn't been doing it all along. I've had this camera for months. I think the editing process takes a little bit longer, but it's fine. I need this quality. So I'm gonna definitely keep doing my videos on this, and my goal is actually to start doing all my vlogging on this as well. I just need like a few more accessories to do so. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed hanging out. Please again give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you real soon in more videos, and I hope you decide to stay and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye.